we introduce the fully equipped Airbus A310. Thanks to its cabin, larger than any other conventional long-range plane, this Airbus A310 offers a full range of luxurious, head-of-state commodities, such as a stateroom and a private office. Home is where the heart is, and your heart will enjoy the complete onboard facilities, including a large bathroom and full bedroom with linen. Built-in 42-inch and 52-inch LCD monitors are integrated into each bulkhead, ideal for presentations, meetings, and entertainment. Seating is offered for 12 first class and 24 business class passengers who will have access to 2 further lavatories. Serial number 431 also comes equipped with the complete A310 avionics suite and a whole set of additional equipment for a smooth flight.